Welcome to Eastside Utilities instructional video, where today we will walk you through the steps on how to find and complete our water service line material survey. If you have not already, head on over to the website at www.eastsideutility.com. Once there, you will want to click on the News and Notices tab at the top of the page and then select SLM Survey. On the Service Line Material SLM page, you will find important survey information. You will also find additional resources, including a link to an instructional video on locating your service line and how to perform the magnetic and scratch tests. Once you have completed the scratch test and have determined the material of your water service line, you will submit the results in the survey below. Our survey is also mobile friendly. Quickly capture photos and submit your findings directly from your mobile device. Scan the QR code to get started. In the first few boxes, enter the account owner's first name followed by the last name. Enter the phone number, area code first, and then the email address that we have on file for the account. If your contact information is changed, please enter the new information now. Next, you will choose the type of occupancy, homeowner or renter. Then enter the physical address of the service location. When you begin typing, the box will auto-populate with a list of addresses that you can choose from. Once you've entered the address, you'll enter the 8-digit account number found on your water bill. Please ignore the digits after the second dash. If you do not have your bill, you can locate your account number in the map below. Be sure you've entered your property address above to activate the map. Use the following graphic to find your service line. If you need additional help locating your service line or identifying its material, watch our instructional video located at the bottom of this page. Once you locate your service line, choose Yes from the selection below. You may need to use the additional scroll bar to the right to access the remainder of the survey. The graphic below shows the various waterline materials that may exist in your area. Once you have performed the scratch test, choose the material that you have verified and then provide the confirmation of your test under the inspection type below. In the following box, enter the year the water line was installed. If you are unsure, just select the year the home was built. Next, upload a photo of the water service line entering the building similar to the following. Then click Submit to complete the survey. Thank you for your participation. The information provided will help us meet new regulatory requirements and identify potential lead sources for future actions.